Kia ora koutou katoa, no mai hoki mai ki Pukeroa Paeho, the voice of Rotorua Primary School.
We've got two awesome stories for you this week. One about some very special visitors who came to our kura, and the other from our big athletics day at the stadium.
Let's get straight into it.
Last week, our kura has had a visit from Te Taumata o Ngati Whakaue and the I Have a Dream Foundation.
They are currently looking for a school to support with funding for extracurricular and extension programs, things that give our tamariki even more opportunities to learn, grow and experience new challenges.
It was a real honour to host them and share the amazing learning and kaupapa happening here at Rotorua Primary.
We're back on Pukeroa Paeho and today we are interviewing
Lisa Carrington.
And Moana Matotia Tipania.
And Kat Baker.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about some stuff. So what do you guys do for your jobs?
I'm a National Funding Manager at I Have a Dream.
Okay.
And I'm the General Manager Operations and I get to work with all of the navigation staff.
That's nice.
And I'm the Marketing Manager for I Have a Dream.
Okay, so are you guys liking the tour at our school so far?
We love it.
What is your guys' favourite thing right now at our school?
I love that the school calls all of the students Ngā Taonga because you are very, very precious.
I love how there's so much history pasted all over the kura.
I love that your school is so integrated with technology and that you're all going to be geniuses.
Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, this is my girlfriend.
And we're interviewing.
Te tuhi whakauro te rangi walasi hakara.
Okay, so we're just gonna ask you like 3 questions. What do you do for a living? Like, what's your job?
I work at Te Taumata o Ngati Whakaue i Hoki Trust as a rangatahi coordinator and rangatahi response. I'm also on the Te Mana Akunga board and I work with tertiary students.
Okay, how's your day going so far?
Great.
What's your favourite thing at our tour right now?
My favourite thing is that ahakoa he reo rua te kura nei. Rawe te rongo i te reo te reo.
Okay, did you enjoy the tour today?
I loved it. You were great.
Okay, thank you. That's it.
A big mihi to Te Taumata o Ngati Whakaue and the I Have a Dream Foundation for taking the time to visit our school.
Our second feature this week is all about Athletics Day, which took place on Monday at the Rotorua Sports Stadium.
It was a massive day filled with sprinting, long jump, high jump, shot put, relays, and of course heaps of cheering from students, teachers and whānau.
Let's check out some of the highlights.
Kia ora, my name's Ahli and we're here at Athletics today interviewing some people. Let's get it. So guys, we're going to interview Ariro from our flashbacks at camp. So let's get it. Hello, what is your name?
Ariro.
Can you speak louder please?
Ariro.
And how do you feel about today in this weather?
I don't like it.
Oh, is that right? So do you think you're going to cook in any of these sport things?
Nope.
Do you think you're going to win a medal?
No.
Okay, bye now. Be interviewing Mato Sam. What's your name?
Gee, you already know my name, Nikos.
Hurry up, tell your name.
Macho Sam.
Is it true that William beat Matua Max in Clash Royale
Yeah, he definitely did.
and beat Jade?
But Macho Max, to be unfair, was not focused.
So the guy with the 10k trophies was not focused and losing to a guy that's only in the jungle arena.
That's true.
Hello, father, what's your name?
You guys are weirdest. My name's Jade.
And how do you feel about athletics today in this rainy weather?
I don't even want to be here, man.
Do you think you're gonna cook? Do you think you're gonna cook?
Yeah, these kids all suck.
Do you think you're gonna get like a medal or something?
No.
What do you think you're gonna like? Wait, what was that? Oh, is it true that William beat you in Clash Royale?
Actually, first of all, it's a beat, not bait. Yeah, he did, because he's such a weirdo. I wasn't even playing properly, but then I beat him twice in a row. I said that wrong.
So, what's the emote that he was spamming? Can you say it?
I'm not saying it.
Okay, that's the interview with my father, Jade. So, thank you guys for watching. Hello, what's your name?
Manawa.
And how old are you?
7.
And what color are you wearing right now?
Yellow.
And what's your favorite athletics right now?
The jumping.
Have you came first, second, or third?
Yeah.
And what? What did you place in what sport? When you have to throw it, what place did you come?
Third.
Oh, that's cool. And what are you doing now?
The jumping.
Are you gonna be good? Good. Hi, who are we here with?
William.
And how has your day been today with all the athletics and that?
Very nice.
Have you won anything?
I came second,
And
third, and second, and third.
What did you come second in?
The 800 meters, and then third in the high jump, and then actually I don't know what place I came for the 100 meter, but
What do you think of the day right now?
stop burping.
Oh, cool.
Oh, wait, what are you doing?
Nah, go away. Go away, grandfather. Kia ora, what is your name?
My name is Diamond.
And have you came like first, second, or third at athletics today?
I just got it because of traffic.
Okay, so do you know what you got first?
No, I do not. We just had what is it? Shot put.
Did you win anything at shot put?
No.
Do you think you're gonna cook in the runs?
Yes.
Hello, what's your name?
Tiguru.
And what's been your favorite activity so far?
Running.
And have you placed somewhere?
Yep, first.
For what?
The 200 meter sprint.
Okay, that's cool. And who's your favorite teacher?
Fashri.
And who's your best friend?
Harasa and Marek.
Ka mau te wihi, everyone gave it a 100%. Awesome effort from all our tamariki.
And a huge thank you to all of our teachers, staff and volunteers who made the day run so smoothly.
Another amazing week here at Rotorua Primary, full of learning, actions and connection.
A big mihi to everyone who featured in today's stories, and to all of you for watching and supporting Pukeroa Paho.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share our channel so our whānau and community can stay connected with everything happening here at our kura.
Mauri ora, kia pai tō koutou wiki, and we'll see you next time on Pukeroa Paho.